Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my little haul that I got on Black Friday from Sista Chic Lacquer. There were a bunch of polishes that she's done for like polish pickup and the Facebook exclusive, that I just had to get. I had to get them. They're all gorgeous. She had an amazing Black Friday sale and I could not resist. So I got all of the polishes that I didn't have. And I also picked up another black, the Paris Nights. It's an amazing black cream. Had to have another one, a backup. And I don't really do backups, so that's saying something. And also had to get me some more Sister Serum. This stuff's amazing. It blends into the skin really, really nice. So I won't be swatching this one today. Y'all have seen me use it loads of times on my channel. So real quick, I'm going to go through the names. This is Fantasia from Polish Pickup September. Then we've got Jolly Jolly Jackalope for Polish Pickup October. And then Nice Haboob Job from the Polish Pickup Collection. And then we've got Puzzle Me This Autism Awareness for 2019. And then these are the Facebook exclusives. Electric Bikini. Then we've got Danielle's Hallucination, and then Emerald Alli, and Margaret's Musings. So I'm going to pop the lids open and we're going to get to swatching. Alrighty, this first one here is Fantasia, and it's like a terracotta, not quite brown color with some beautiful glitters in it. And next is Jolly Jolly Jackalope. Oh, purple goodness there. And Nice Haboob Job. Beautiful orange jelly with just, I can't even describe how gorgeous that is. It's got some beautiful oomph in there. Puzzle Me This is the Autism Awareness Polish. I'm in love with it. And then Electric Bikini. Camera's not doing that one justice. And Danielle's Hallucination. Absolutely crazy pretty. Absolutely. And then Emerald Alli. Beautiful green. Gorgeous. And then next up we've got Margaret's Musings. It's kind of like a purpley gray with, I don't know, there's like flakies and glitter and just all kinds of yum up in that one. We're going to go back and do a second coat of Fantasia. Very unique polish. I really like this one. It's kind of got that chocolate look to it with a bunch of sprinkles in it. And then Jolly Jolly Jackalope. Holographic. I would imagine that's holographic. It's not the bigger chunks, but the smaller. If not, it's some serious shimmer. And then Nice Haboob Job. I'm in love with this one. And then Puzzle Me This Autism Awareness. I really thought it was cool to have a autism awareness nail polish. Really liking that. And then next up we've got Electric Bikini. You guys know how I feel about my pinks. And then Danielle's Hallucination. Man, that is just snazzy. And then Emerald Alli. It's just lovely, lovely green. It's like a frosty green or something, but it's not a frosty polish. And then finally, Margaret's Musings. I love Miss Debbie's stuff. Can't get enough. And I'm going in with some top coat over all of these real quick. Because, you know, top coat really does change it. So there is Fantasia. I mean, top coat can really make or break a polish sometimes. Jolly Jolly Jackalope. Look at that goodness. And Nice Haboob Job. Look at that shimmer. Top Coat Magic. Puzzle Me This Autism Awareness for 2019. And I really do. I mean, for me, it's magical. Those top coats just go on. It's like, yes! And look at that electric bikini. I mean, Danielle's Hallucination. Alright. Here we go. Emerald Alli. Lovely, lovely shade of green. And then this grayed out purple, or purple with some gray in it. Margaret's Musings. Lovely. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.